गजब सांबर दाल एकदम भालो आहा बिल्कुल पूरन पोली की तरह मामला This is the snapper. Oh. Snapper is. It's raining out there और हम लोग यहाँ खा रहे हैं.
कैसा है ये मौसम बदलता नहीं, भीगा भीगा बादल हटता नहीं। कैसा है ये मौसम बदलता नहीं, भीगा भीगा बादल क्यों हटता नहीं। तेरे प्यार का नशा ऐसा उतरता क्यों ये नहीं। गुम हो कब से इन रास्तों में तू क्यों मिलता नहीं। कैसा है ये मौसम बदलता नहीं, भीगा भीगा बादल हटता नहीं। कैसा है ये मौसम मुझ में समाना है।
तो 2 hours we have reached the office of Red FM. अभी एक इंटरव्यू है यहाँ पर.
ഇദ്ദേഹത്തെ പറ്റി പറയാനാണെങ്കിൽ 1992 സർദാർ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു മൂവി കൂടി അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഫിലിം ലോഞ്ച് ആവുകയാണ്. പക്ഷെ ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് റിലീസ്ഡ് മൂവി ഡ്രോഖാൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഒരു മൂവി റിലീസ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ഹി വോൺ എ നാഷണൽ അവാർഡ് ഫോർ എ ബെസ്റ്റ് സപ്പോർട്ടിംഗ് ക്യാരക്ടർ. Hi to 1.92 million. We have been voted.
Yes.
This is Red FM Trivandrum.
Absolutely.
Studio. I'm so happy that we have.
And we are chatting with Karthik right here. So that's the joy of it. Because life is immediate, and you can't predict. You don't do things to make it successful.
Right.
I think you do something and you just make it successful, make it something which is loved by people and people
Yes.
appreciate.
Yes.
And that's my mantra. Thank you so much, Parvati. Appreciate it. Thank you. The iPhone.
Everybody got one, sir.
Except me.
Oh, you're still with the Android.
I put you still with you. The Android people. The Android people.
Carrying a DJ, I thought more of a.
Yeah, Android people, huh? They call it, you're still with the Android. All the creative people are taking iPhone.
Fanboy.
She calling me like the rainbow.
So we are here. Bali, बहुत खुश. Veg food. चलो. We have come to Mother's Veg Plaza. You come here often? Yeah. Okay. So interesting things are here. Hello, how are you? First time I'm visiting this place. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Wonderful. Very good. भाई मामला शुरू हो गया. अवियल. नहीं. थोड़ा सा. मत. क्या बात है. हेलो. Yes. अरे थैंक यू. अवियल इज एक्सीलेंट. दाल एकदम भालो एकदम लाइट. ओहो गजब सांबर इज गजब.
Mango, gooseberry, cucumber, leaf finger, seal.
क्या बात है.
Avial.
So there are so many different kinds of pickles.
Oh. And this is avial, all vegetable.
This is avial.
Sun.
Yeah.
Cabbage.
Yeah. क्या बात है.
It is an Ayurvedic meal.
Ayurvedic meal, huh?
Full. No BP, no cholesterol, no diabetes, nothing.
Okay.
Their life was more than 100 years. Why?
Guy.
By that time, food was medicine.
Food was medicine.
Now, medicine is food. All disease due to food.
What a combination. Paisam with param. There's paisam with kela. Aha.
Second is papad mixing.
What a combination, Umesh. Aha. Paisam with papadam. What is this paisam with that I'm having with
First
papadam?
is like it is moong dal.
Moong dal,
First one wheat, second one moong dal. We have more than 50 type of paisam. Daily we will change one.
Wonderful. Oh, तुम्हें pineapple का taste करो. It's very tasty.
This is wheat paisam.
Wheat paisam. अच्छा है?
हाँ, no rice. भाई ये तो more.
Try little. and we
बिल्कुल
can-
पूरन पोली की तरह मामला है मामला.
Very order level.
ओह, ये पूरन पोली जैसा है तो बोली कहते हैं यहाँ पर. ओह, सेवइयाँ पायसम. ओह, completely new.
Very nice, sir.
भाई कमाल है. कमाल है भाई.
Thank you so much.
कमाल कमाल. ओह, ये टाइम नहीं खाओ. How is it?
I love this.
Amazing or amazing?
अच्छा है भालो बहुत भालो ठीक है
बहुत hello. वाह, very very interesting place यार. क्या रिपोर्ट है भाई? हाँ?
जबरदस्त एकदम.
उनमें interesting, tasty
टेस्टी तो खूब ही टेस्टी बाप
है ना?
4 टाइप्स ऑफ पायसम
Four kinds of पायसम. अरे उमेश सेठ.
हाँ सर
जोन में मामला, जोन में. कामन लग लो.
सुपर डुपर
सुबह डुबा ना?
बहुत बहुत और बहुत प्यार से खिलाया इन्होंने
बहुत प्यार से.
खिलाया जैसे घर में खिलाया वैसे
और कितने वैरायटी.
समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या खाओ
क्या कितना खाओ.
कितना खाओ और क्या क्या लोग समझ
Wow, wow, wow. So this is the Mother's Veg Plaza in Trivandrum. Food was excellent, Ma. Thank you so much. When did you start this place?
15 years back.
Huh?
15.
15 years back. Superb. Thank you so much.
Sir.
Thank you. Arey. This will be very nice.
Jackfruit halwa.
Jackfruit halwa. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Yes, I'll just take it. Sanal Cheta gave us some wonderful food at Mother's Veg Plaza.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Really, your presence
That's
is great. Go decided to come here.
Thank you so much.
Otherwise, not possible.
Really, really enjoy. Thank you so
Your
much.
presence too much.
Thank you so much. We really enjoyed. Lovely. And she loved the paisams
Oh, he taken only little.
because she allowed me to have a lot of paisam. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You too.
Thank you.
You too. You too.
Yes. So I had a wonderful conversation with Rishma, and her channel's name is The Fourth. So best wishes.
थैंक यू
Really enjoyed the conversation.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone in the team. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you so very much. Wonderful. अब चलिए for the performance at Technopark. By any chance, can you make it to Technopark today?
ट्राई माय बेस्ट बिकॉज़ वी हैव अनदर शो
In case you can, please come.
ओके ओके
अभी ये इंटरव्यू खत्म करके वी आर ऑफ फॉर द टेक्नो पार्क. वहाँ पर वी गेटिंग रेडी फॉर द शो दिस इवनिंग. बड़ी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस. जाके उनके साथ इंटरेक्शन किया जाए, कुछ किया जाए. रेनिंग स्माइल्स कंटिन्यूस. इस वक्त बारिश नहीं हो रही है इसलिए आराम से निकल पा रहे हैं. तो चलो मौसम बारिश का है. लेट्स स्प्रेड स्माइल्स ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. एक्साइटेड.
going for sure. I'm gonna be myself.
So we are reaching Techno Park here in Trivandrum. बहुत ही green area है यार. वाह क्या बात है. So this is an interesting challenge always, you know. ये नया कर रहा हूँ कुछ. Just landing up, reaching somewhere and performing. एक challenge है दोस्त. As an actor, it is challenging.
No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna stay. Thank you. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me.
Hi. Superb. If you notice, I have come in a very formal dress, in a very formal environment.
Beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can
It won't cover you, it'll only cover me.
break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke.
So what else do you want to do?
Just want to make people happy.
I love that. I love that. Though your boss is looking a very stern look to you. So your job is not to make people happy, your job is to earn money for the
Blow
company.
the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine. And
Thank you so much, sir. I know you're on the way chasing monsoons and raining smiles, but thank you for making time for us.
Appreciate it.
When Pratidhani Film Club called you up, you were kind enough to come and join us and make us all smile. My jaws are literally hurting. I've been smiling all the time. Thank you so much, sir. We would like to take a group photo with you, sir.
Yes, certainly.
And ma'am,
could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
Check out this journey on Ashish Vidyarthi Actor Vlogs. I want to capture this journey, and I really feel that as we travel in this country, if we can spread hope, no wonder. You know, whichever side you are, if you can have hope, then you don't have time to hate. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I'll cover a whole lot of Kerala this time, and then I go state-wise. I keep going.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try.
That's what I was asking, that you all are basically interested in that. Very happy to have met you all, yeah. And guys, let's make some noise! Yay! Fantastic. So happy to have met you all at the Techno Park.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive.
आज का दिन यही समाप्त हो रहा है as we have performed for this wonderful set of techies यहाँ पर at Techno Park. Sudden gathering वहाँ पर जाकर we could bring some smiles on their face. खुशी. This is raining smiles. आज इस वक्त बारिश नहीं हो रही, कोई बात नहीं. मानसून में हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. Raining smiles. अभी चले त्रिवेंद्रम से कोल्लम की तरफ. This is wonderful. How are you? Wow. This is looking beautiful. Munna, come. Down Gandha. Huh? Ah, lovely. Welcome to Anand Lakshmi Ayu Resort. Wonderful. Wow. Wow. What is your name, my friend?
Naisam.
Naisam. Okay. Check this out. Beyond that is a sea. Wow.
Oh, it was a whole lot of people.
तो हम लोग गपिया रहे हैं and Meghali is there in Kolkata. We are chatting with her. Sir, what is this water called?
This is a herbal water. Actually, this is a Kerala, mostly the hotel.
What is this herb called? Herb?
It's called the scrubs of the scrubs of the hotel.
ये केरला में बहुत मिलता है. See you, Meghali. Lots of love. क्या बात है? बहुत अच्छा. Soup is excellent. Loved it. So there are fruits and there are vegetables. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से कलर किया. इस तरह का बहुत सिंपल सैलेड खा रहा हूँ. You're calling it the Navratna salad. Navratna salad. This is the snapper. Oh ho 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 ho. Snapper is दिस इज अ स्नैपर भाई, एंड इस एनवायरनमेंट में स्नैपर खाने का जो मजा आ रहा है. इट्स रेनिंग आउट देयर और हम लोग यहाँ खा रहे हैं. अमेजिंग.
सागर की लहरों की
हाँ, और सामने हमको दिख नहीं रहा, लेकिन इसके एकदम आगे सागर है. उसकी लहरों की आवाज आ रही है. अमेजिंग. दिस फिश इज सो फ्रेश. वाह वाह. अंदर से सॉफ्ट, ऊपर से देखिए लेयर में कचर है. दिस इज द फूड and the atmosphere is soothing. Zabardast hai yaar. It's lovely. I'm looking forward to sleeping well and getting up in the morning for a massage early morning. Wow.
कैसा है ये मौसम बदलता नहीं, भीगा भीगा बादल हटता नहीं. कैसा है ये मौसम बदल